Problem 5. The fourth graders are going on a field trip. There are 2 different types of buses to choose from. The first kind are the red ones, and they're smaller, so they can only hold 45 seats. And every red bus costs $215. And then we have the bigger yellow buses. They each hold up to 60 seats, and every bus costs $300. If they use the red buses, 15 people doesn't have anywhere to sit, so 15 people will be left out, and you don't want to If we use the yellow buses, it will be 1 bus less, and it has the perfect number of seats. If the school wants to spend as little as possible, how much money would they spend? So a lot of information is not given to us. We need to know how many people are there in total, and how many buses we should use. So right now we have to write out an equation. Let's say that we use the buses to write down the equation. If we use 45x, x will be the number of red buses. If we have an x number of red buses, there will be 15 people left. And there's 45 people on every bus. And since the number of people are always the same, both sides are equal. And then for the yellow buses, we have 60 seats on each bus. And if we use the yellow buses, it will be 1 bus less. So it's x minus 1. And it has the perfect number of seats. Okay, so now we just solve for x. 45x plus 15 equals 60x minus 60. And then we're going to move the 60 to the left side of the equation to get 75. And then move the 45x to the right side of the equation to get 15x. And then we divide both sides by 15 to get x equals 5. So if we have 5 45-seat buses, we're still going to have 15 people left over. So notice that 45 plus 15 actually equals 60. So we can combine a 15 and a 45 to be a bus of 60. So in the end, we end up with 4 45-seat buses and 1 60-seat buses. And every red bus costs $215. So 4 times 215. Plus 1 big yellow bus, and that's $300. And so 215 times 4 equals 860 plus 300 to equal 1,160. So our answer is $1,160.